Welcome to National Shields in Silver, a numismatic and heraldic journey exploring the hidden meanings on the coinage of the Rio de la Plata. We begin with Part 1, the birth of a republican currency, tracing the transition from colonial rule to the Assembly of 1813. The 1810 May Revolution led the United Provinces of the Rio de la Plata to assert sovereignty. The Assembly of 1813 decreed the creation of the first national coinage, replacing royal portraits with republican symbols. These coins were minted in Potosí and formed the basis for Argentine heraldry. The national shield features the clasped hands, symbolizing union and brotherhood, a contrast to colonial coats of arms. The Phrygian cap on a pike represents liberty, and the laurel wreaths signify victory and glory, acknowledging the struggle for independence. The Son of May, or Sol de Mayo, on the obverse of the silver coinage is a solar metaphor. It signifies Inca heritage with a nod to Inti and the Enlightenment, representing the dawn of a new, free nation. The sun has 32 rays, alternating between straight and wavy. The Rio de la Plata coinage was produced from the legendary silver of Potosí, primarily at the Casa de Moneda de Potosí. For collectors, the PTS monogram is the defining signature of these first strikes, following the takeover by the Army of the North. The motto, En Unión y Libertad, remains the cornerstone of Argentine ideology. Introduced on the 8 reales of 1813, it summarizes the goals of the Assembly: unity and freedom from Spanish rule. The 1813 date is highly coveted by numismatists. The 1813 to 1815 currency included silver denominations like the 8 reals, featuring the full national shield and sun. Gold denominations, such as the 8 escudos and 1 escudo, featured the Son of May and the arms of the provinces. The composition of the silver coins was 89.6% fine silver and 10.4% copper or alloy. This purity and material composition were based on the Spanish ordenanza weight and fineness standards, maintained initially by the Republic. The regional shield evolved from the circular format of 1813 to the minor refinements in 1816 after independence. Confederate symbols emerged in 1831 with the Federal Pact. By 1852, the unified Argentine Republican shield was adopted following the Battle of Caseros. For collectors, look for the J. Assayer mark on 1813 coins, representing José Antonio de Sierra. Original coins also feature a laurel leaf edge design to prevent clipping. This image shows a historical view of the Potosí silver mine.